Good day everyone, my name is Vivian Gonzalez and today I will be discuss the modern dance. So what is modern dance? Modern dance, also known as contemporary or lyrical dance, originated in the early 1900s as a rebellion against traditional technical forms like ballet. It has since become a dominant genre for trained dancers worldwide, emphasizing the connection between mind and body through fluid movement, spontaneity, and self-expression. Modern dance encompasses various techniques and styles credited to choreographers who develop unique movement vocabularies based on personal philosophies. Contemporary dance performed to modern music emphasizes versatility, improvisation, and emotional expression through a fusion of jazz, ballet, and modern styles. Lyrical dance, often set to lyrical musical, focuses on smooth, expressive movements inspired by emotionally charged songs blending jazz and belief elements. So, itong modern dance is kilala siya bilang contemporary or lyrical dance. Nagsimula siya noong 1900 bilang dahil sa pagtutol ng traditional or mga technical na way ng pagsasayaw natin like ballet. So, mula nun is naging pangunahing genre na yung ng mga mananayaw ng buong mundo yung ganong way nila. So, binibigyan to ng connection ng isip at katawan natin para mas mapalambot yung galaw at saka mas maging natural tsaka mas maipahayag natin yung sarili natin. So, itong modern dance is binubuo siya ng iba't ibang techniques. Ito ay sinisimula ng mga choreographer. Tapos, yung natatanging paraan ng napaggalaw is nakabase lang sa mga philosophies. So, itong contemporary dance is kadalasan siyang parang sinasabayan siya ng mga music na mas nakatuon siya sa pagiging flexible para makalikha tayo ng bagong sayaw tsaka mas mapahayag natin yung damdamin. Nga, pinagsasama-sama nga dito yung iba't ibang elements ng jazz, ballet, at modern dance. So, yung lyrical dance naman, ito yung karaniwan nating sinasabayan din ng music pero mas madamdamin, mas puno ng emotion. So, dito mas naghahatid siya ng makinis tsaka ng malayang galaw para maipahayag nga natin yung emotion. Tapos, katulad din yung sa contemporary, pinagsasama-sama rin dito yung iba't ibang elements ng jazz, ballet, at mga inspiration na mga kantang may mga deep meaning like yung mga malalalim na mensahe. So, ito namang modern dance, ito yung nagsimula siya noong 19th century bilang pagsuway sa traditional na ballet. So, pinangunahan siya ni Louis Fullier at Isadora Duncan. Tapos, itinatag nito ni Ruth St. Denis at Ted Shawn, yung Den Shawn School noong 1915. Tapos, pinayaman naman to ni Catherine Dunham at Pearl Primus. Tapos gamit yung African and Caribbean traditions. Habang si Merce Cunningham naman ay nagpakilala ng bagong techniques at idea tulad ng trance choreography. Ayun, sa paglipas ng panahon, patuloy pa rin na nagbabago yung modern dance pero nananatili pa rin yung yung naiiba nga sa ballet. Tapos meron ditong iba't ibang estilo mula sa mga ethnics hanggang sa mga contemporary. Next is the benefits of modern dance. So, first is itong creative thinking. The fact that artistic training in general and modern dance training specifically can have on a student's life is often grossly underestimated. Whether your student plans to become a professional dancer, an attorney, a teacher, or a mechanical engineer, they'll have a distinct advantage over competitors. In study after study, employers list creative thinking as one of the employable skills they want most, and the total of a candidate's employable skill set weights as heavily in their hiring decisions a job-specific skills, training, and experience. So, ito namang creative thinking. Ito namang creative thinking sa modern dance is, ito yung malaking tulong sa epekto ng buhay, lalo, especially sa ating mga mag-aaral. Dahil sabi nga dito, kahit anong profession pa yung nais nating gustuhin or tahakin, mananayaw man, abogado, or isang guro, is nagbibigay ito ng malaking kalamangan sa buhay na gusto natin tahakin. Ayon nga sa pag-aaral, is itong modern dance is, ito yung yung pagiging creative thinking is, ito yung pinakang hinahanap ng mga employer, para dahil yung pagiging creative thinking natin is may kakayahan siya para mag-isip tayo ng mga malikhain, tsaka mahalagang combination din siya dahil may kakayahan to sa pagkuha ng trabaho. Tas mahalaga nga dahil mas nagkakaroon ng specific na kaalaman tsaka ng karanasan sa trabaho. So, ito namang stress reduction in modern dance is it is the classes contributes to healthier kids today and better balance adults in the future by teaching students to access their emotions and translate them into physical motion. Both physical exercise and introspection help to alleviate stress, and even on days when students come to class feeling weight of the world on their shoulders, they leave class in a more positive mood, less prone to anxiety and depression. The endorphins produced as a result of dance class will give the student a sense of peace, well-being, and optimism. So, itong stress reduction is malaking tulong to, lalo na para mas mapabuti yung kalusugan ng mga bata, para mas maging balance yung emotion nila na pwede nilang harapin. So, dito, natututo yung mga estudyante para ma-express nila yung feelings or yung damdamin na nararamdaman nila, para nakakatulong din to para mapababa yung stress na pwede nating maranasan. So, yung physical exercise, ito yung introspection is tumutulong siya para mabawasan yung anxiety and depression. Tsaka yung mga endorphins is nagproproduce siya habang sumasayaw is nagbibigay ito ng peace, tsaka ng positive side, tsaka ng magandang pakiramdam nating mga tao or mga estudyante, mga bata. And next is yung self-expression. Not only does modern dance training teach students how to access their emotions and give them physical conditioning and training to express them, but it also gives them a sense of empowerment. Creatively rendering emotion and thought into physical movement gives students a kind of unique voice with which to express themselves, so they can find ways to express themselves even when words are insufficient. This can be especially helpful for shy students or students with learning disabilities, and builds confidence in students who might otherwise feel invisible and unheard. So, itong self-expression in modern dance is, nagtuturo siya sa ating mga estudyante kung paano tayo makaka-access sa mga emotion natin, tsaka sa mga galaw or damdamin at mga iniisip natin. So, itong self-expression is nagbibigay ito ng lakas ng loob sa mga kakaibang nais nating ipahayag sa mga tao, lalo na sa mga mahihiyain or may mga taong may learning disability. So, sa ganitong ways, nagkakaroon tayo ng kumpiyansa, or parang nagkakaroon tayo ng pagkakataong mai-express yung gusto nating iparating or yung mga salita na gusto natin sabihin. Dito na po nagtatapos yung aking report, At yung next na reporter naman po is si Miss Rochelle De Los Santos.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rochelle De Los Santos and I will discuss the different types of modern dance. First is ballet. Tutus, pointy shoes, and many tights are what come to mind when someone mentions ballets. Yet, ballet is so much more than that. Said to be the most difficult genre to master, ballet is so rigorous style of dance that is foundation of most forms of dance training. It is usually set but not limited to. Orchestrated music is often the first dance style a child will experience as they begin their dance classes. Ballet shoes are usually worn until the dancer's feet have developed enough strength to progress into pointy shoes. Often happens around the age of 12 and only after the student have been given permission by their. Ang ballet shoes daw po ay hindi lang tukol sa tutus or pointy shoes. Dahil ito daw po ang pinakamahirap na dance genre na kailangan i-master dahil sobrang technical at precise ng movements nito. Usually daw po sa orchestral music ito sinasayaw at kadalasan ito ang unang dance style na tinuturo sa mga bata kapag nagsisimula pa lang sila. Meron po tayong dalawang klase ng shoes na pwede natin gamitin sa pagsasayaw ng ballet. Una is ballet shoes. Ang ballet shoes daw po ay ginagamit para sa mga beginners na nasasayaw ng ballet. At kapag malakas na daw po ang mga paa, pwede na silang gumamit ng pointy shoes. Yung pointy shoes daw po is ito yung ginagamit na ng mga professional. Next is jazz. Jazz is the most popular style of dance among dancers. Jazz combines all dance style in a high energetic dance that is without conventional boundaries. It has been influenced by ballet, modern tap, hip-hop, African dance, and many more styles. Jazz is most often accompanied by upbeat, currently popular songs. Jazz shoes typically have the leather split sole, which offer the dancer foot more freedom to bend and move. Due to the upbeat music, dramatic themes, and cool choreography, it is hard to see why it is the most popular dance style. Yung jazz daw po is energetic siyang sayawin. Kasi po, halo-halo po ang style na ginagamit dito. May ballet, modern, tap, hip-hop at African dance. Usually daw po, ang music na ginagamit dito ay upbeat at mga sikat na kanta ngayon. At meron din po silang jazz shoes na tinatawag naman po na may split sole para mas malaya ang mga paa na mag-bend at gumalaw. Ito pong jazz is kailangan kapag sasayawin is energetic para makasabay po tayo sa upbeat. Tap dance is best described as musical feet. Tap is a form of dance where dancers use their feet as percussive instrument. Tap shoes are specially designed with percussive metal plates on the toe and heel, called taps. There are many different styles of tap dancing. However, the two most noted are rhythm tap and Broadway tap. Rhythm tap is more musically driven, where Broadway tap is more dance and movement oriented. Tap is great for fostering rhythm in dancer as it turns their feet into musical instrument. Ang tap dance daw po ay parang musical feet kasi ginagamitan daw po ito ng kanilang mga paa bilang instrumento para gumawa po ng tunog. May special shoes na ginagamit din po dito na may metal plates sa toe at heel. Tinatawag itong taps. May dalawang popular style ng tap dance, rhythm tap. Ang rhythm tap daw po ay more on musically at focus sa tunog. At ang Broadway tap naman po ay mas oriented at visually entertaining. Yung tap dance daw po ay para ma-develop ang rhythm at timing ng dancer kasi parang nagiging parte ng musika ang bawat hakbang nila. Next is lyrical. Lyrical, though the basic of lyrical dance is ballet merged with jazz and modern. It is dynamic while simultaneously subtle and focuses on conveying feelings and emotion through movements. Set to popular songs that emphasize deeper feeling and emotion such as grief, longing, love, and despair. Lyrical shoes provide protection for the dancer while allowing them to feel the dance floor as much as possible. Though proper dance techniques are important, the true heart of lyrical is found in its expressive nature. Yung lyrical dance naman po ay may mix ng ballet, jazz at modern dance. Pero ang pinaka-focus po nito ay ang pag-express ng feelings tulad ng grief, longing, love, and despair. Usually daw po, sinasayaw ito sa mga kantang may malalalim na mensahe. Gumagamit ang dancer ng lyrical shoes para protektado ang paa nila habang ramdam nila ang dance floor. At ang importante daw po dito ay hindi lang ang tamang technique kundi ang pag-express ng kanilang movement na nagpapakita ng kanilang emosyon sa pagsasayaw. Next po is hip-hop. Hip-hop is an edgy, raw, and intense urban dance style also known as street dance. The origin of popping, locking, and crumping, hip-hop is mostly danced to rap, urban, and hot surprisingly. Hip-hop music, funky, high-top dance sneakers are normally worn by dancer. What set hip-hop apart from most dance genres is that its original street dance was freestyle in nature and did not follow a predefined choreography. A style of dance that is open to personal expression, hip-hop artists were free to interpret the dance in any way they could, and this led to many innovative and exciting dance style. Dito naman daw po sa hip-hop, ang hip-hop naman daw po ay may edgy, raw at intense. Ito daw po ang street dance style kung saan nanggaling ang moves tulad ng popping, locking at crumping. Kadalasan daw po itong sinasayaw ito sa rap, urban at hip-hop music. Gumagamit din po ang dancer ng funky, high-top sneakers para mas bagay sa vibe ng style nito. Ang unique daw po sa hip-hop ay freestyle ang pinagmula nito kaya wala daw pong specific na choreography na kailangan sundin. Ang bawat dancer din po ay malaya na i-express ang sarili nila sa kanilang galaw kaya sobrang dynamic at creative ng style na to. Next po is contemporary dance. Contemporary dance embodies ballet, modern, jazz, and lyrical. It uses a technique such as ballet as its fundamentals and create many more movements that do not adhere to the strict rules of ballet and modern. Here are different categories of contemporary dance such as contemporary ballet and contemporary jazz. Contemporary dance can be danced to all types of music and in non-traditional costumes. Contemporary dancers often wear lyrical dance shoes and sometimes no shoes at all. Ang contemporary dance naman po ay parang mix ng iba't ibang dance style tulad ng ballet, modern, jazz at lyrical. Ginagamit nito ang technique ng ballet bilang foundation para hindi ito masyadong strict sa rules. Pwede din pong gumawa ng iba't ibang galaw na mas creative at expressive. May iba't ibang categories din po tulad ng contemporary ballet at contemporary jazz. Ang contemporary dance daw po ay pwede itong sayawin sa kahit anong type ng music at ang costume naman daw po ay hindi traditional. Kadalasan daw po gumagamit ang dancer ng lyrical shoes pero minsan sumasayaw sila ng walang sapatos para mas organic ang movement. And last po is line dancing. Line dancing is a social dance that is made up of the sequence of repeated steps and is traditionally associated with country western music. It is a solo dance that is danced in the straight line, a circle, or in a follow the leader. Footwear is decided by the dancer and if open cowboy boots for the men and heels for the women. Many women choose to wear a Cuban heel shoe. It offers great support and it is the perfect heel height for any age. Ang line dancing naman daw po ay isang social dance na may sequence ng steps na inuulit-ulit. Madalas itong sumasabay sa country western music. Solo dance ito pero ginagawa ng sabay-sabay ng grupo kaya magkakasunod silang nakaayos sa straight line, circle, or follow the leader na pattern. Dito po sa line dancing, pagsasayaw po is halimbawa po mga nakahanay po ng straight line. Tapos kung ano po yung gagawin ng leader is yun po ang susundin ng mga member. Parang ganun po. Next is characteristic of a modern